The grip control. The last section of this course will explain the use of adaptive grippers. Please see the tutorial on how to use the gripper. You can also scan the QR code below. Set gripper. Set the switch state of the gripper. 1 open, 0 close. Copy the code. Based on the sample code, the comment makes the robot arm return to the 0 code. Close the jaws. Open the jaws. View more API introductions about the C++ driver library. You can also scan the QR code below to view